Today, we will be replacing the low beam headlights on this 2004 GMC Yukon with all new LED lights from ALO Lighting. The low beam headlights are located here and we can access them from under the hood. First, we need to remove the assembly. We can do that by loosening these two posts and lifting them straight up. Standing on the side of the vehicle, pull the assembly towards you to remove the left side. The right side will come out easily. Unlock the bulb by turning it counterclockwise. Unplug it by lifting this tab and pulling it straight out. We will be replacing it with this LED bulb from ALO Lighting. Plug in the new LED bulb. For easy installation, line up this tab on the bulb with this notch in the housing. Turn the bulb clockwise to lock. With this headlight lens, we are unable to see if the bulb is installed vertically. To tell if the bulb is installed properly, make sure the pigtail of wire in the back is joined to the right. This way you'll know it is installed vertically. This bulb can be adjusted for the proper placement with this included Allen key. Turn counterclockwise to loosen, and adjust the bulb until it's in the proper position. The connector also matches the connector of the halogen bulb for a simple plug-and-play installation. With this shallow housing, the bulb's short fan design helps it fit easily. Now we can replace the assembly by pushing in the right side first. Stand on the side of the vehicle and pull the left side of the assembly towards you to help it fit. Replace the two posts. To lock in the assembly. Now we will do the same thing on the other side of the vehicle. Take out the assembly, remove the halogen bulb, and plug in the new LED bulb, turning clockwise to lock. The pigtail of wire should be going to the right on this side of the vehicle as well, in order for the bulb to be installed properly. Now we can replace the assembly. As you can see, one of the headlights is angled higher than the other. This is an easy fix. Loosen the assembly like before. Here you will find an adjustment screw. With a pair of pliers, turn the screw counterclockwise to lower the angle of the bulb until it is aimed properly. Here's the 2004 GMC Yukon with all new LED lights from ALO Lighting. You can see the difference in brightness and color temperature compared to the halogen bulb.
Safer, smarter, brighter, better. We are Ayla Lighting.